Man, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Money, please.
Oh, sorry, I have to go to the bathroom.
That will be $7.
$7? I have to go to the bathroom.
I need money for the boardwalk tonight.
Alright, just get out of my way.
I don't think so, lady.
I'll just go to the other bathroom down the hall. Hi, Trace, I just have to use the bathroom.
That would be $15.
$15 just to use the bathroom?
That's right, lady.
Here you go, Trace. Keep the change. This is ridiculous. Mommy! The boys are making me pay to go to the bathroom!
Well, do you need to go?
Yes.
Well, then I think you better just pay it because what are your other options?
I don't got that kind of money.
You should have gotten a job while you were down here. Like those boys are making money. Why can't you? Here, take the money.
Well, I've been going to the bathroom in the ocean all week anyways.
Action.
Mom, the boys are making me pay money to go to the bathroom.
Seriously?
Yes.
Well, listen. I think good for those boys. How much?
$22.
To go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Listen, you gotta go, you gotta go. You gotta do whatever you need to do. Just pay the 22. Good for those boys for like making a business.
Julia paid. Like, it was really weird.